How to link my Instagram to TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, it will show you your profile. Now, in order to link your Instagram to TikTok, make sure that you have the business account over here and not your personal account. After that, what you need to do is tap on the edit profile option over here. So tap on edit profile, and as you do that, you can just scroll down to the very end, and here under the social, you can see the option of Instagram. So you can tap on add Instagram over here and it will lead you to the Instagram page. So you just have to enter your login credentials over here and log in, and you'll be able to enter and link your Instagram to your TikTok account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.